Struggling to capture the true adrenaline of your motorcycle rides without ending up with shaky, unusable footage? We're counting down the ultimate motorcycle cameras that will transform your riding memories into cinematic masterpieces. In this video, I am breaking down the top 5 best cameras for motorbikes based on my own extensive road testing. I have pushed these cameras to their absolute limits through torrential downpours, scorching desert highways, and winding mountain passes to see which ones actually survive and deliver the goods. Five, DJI Osmo Action 4. When I first strapped the DJI to my helmet, I was immediately impressed by its magnetic quick-release mounting system. As a rider, the ability to snap the camera off my chin mount when I pull into a gas station without having to unscrew a mounting pin is a massive convenience. It feels secure even at highway speeds, and the dual touchscreens make it incredibly easy to adjust settings, whether the camera is mounted on the handlebars or my chest. However, as I spent more time reviewing the footage after long rides, the limitations of its 4K resolution became a bit too obvious, especially when trying to crop into a frame to get a better look at a passing vehicle or a scenic detail. In an era where competing cameras are pushing 5.3K and even 8K, the Action 4's footage can sometimes feel a bit soft when you stretch it on a large monitor. The 1.3-inch sensor does a decent job, but it simply lacks the sheer pixel density required for aggressive post-production zooming. Another area where the Action 4 left me wanting was its audio performance during high-speed highway pulls. While the camera features multiple microphones, the wind noise reduction algorithm often struggles to distinguish between the roaring wind and the sound of the motorcycle's exhaust. I frequently found my motovlog audio sounding slightly muffled or aggressively clipped whenever I crossed the 60-mile-per-hour mark, forcing me to rely on bulky external audio recorders. On the positive side, the battery life is fairly robust, and the Extreme battery handles cold morning rides surprisingly well. 4. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The hyper-smooth 6.0 stabilization is undeniably impressive, completely absorbing the harsh vibrations from my bike's V-twin engine and making rough dirt trails look like perfectly paved roads. The addition of HDR video in 5.3K also makes daytime footage pop with vibrant colors, perfectly capturing the contrast between deep forest shadows and bright sunlight. Unfortunately, my extensive testing revealed that the Hero 12 Black still suffers from the same notorious overheating issues that have plagued previous generations. During a slow-moving, technical off-road ride on a hot summer day where there wasn't much airflow to cool the camera body, it completely shut down after just 35 minutes of continuous recording. For a rider, discovering that your camera died right before the best part of the trail is incredibly frustrating and breaks the immersion of the ride. Low-light performance is another area where the Hero 12 Black severely underperforms compared to its modern rivals. When riding through poorly lit city streets or catching the tail end of a sunset, the footage quickly becomes grainy and muddy, with the electronic stabilization introducing a distracting, jittery effect to the streetlights. If your daily commute happens before sunrise or after sunset, this camera will struggle to give you usable, crisp footage. GoPro heavily marketed the Bluetooth audio feature, allowing you to connect a wireless headset directly to the camera for vlogging. While this sounds like a dream for helmet communicators, the reality is that the audio connection is often laggy and introduces a noticeable sync delay in the final video. 3. Insta360 Ace Pro 2. The Insta360 takes things in an entirely different direction, completely redeeming the traditional action camera form factor with some truly groundbreaking hardware. Co-engineered with Leica, this camera features an elite 1.3-inch sensor and a fast f2.6 aperture that completely changed how I capture my rides. Pushing an incredible 8K resolution at 30 frames per second, the sheer amount of detail this camera captures is mind-blowing, allowing me to punch into my footage in post-production without losing an ounce of sharpness. What really blew me away during my testing was the pure video mode, which essentially turns night riding into day. The dual AI chips process the low-light footage in real time, actively reducing noise and enhancing colors so that neon city signs and dark highway stretches look cinematic and vibrant. Gone are the jittery, muddy night shots. The Ace Pro 2 handles twilight and darkness with an effortless grace, that makes midnight rides just as visually appealing as afternoon cruises. The physical design of the Ace Pro 2 is brilliantly suited for motorcycling, particularly the 2.5-inch flip touchscreen. When I have the camera mounted low on my engine guards or high on a top case, I can simply tilt the screen up to check my framing without having to contort my body or pull out my smartphone. This completely eliminates the guesswork of weird mounting angles and ensures I am always capturing the exact shot I want before I twist the throttle. Audio is another massive win for the Ace Pro 2, featuring a built-in wind guard and a sophisticated voice enhancement algorithm. Two, DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Stepping into the runner-up spot is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, a camera that takes everything good about the Action 4 and supercharges it into an absolute powerhouse for motorcyclists. The leap to a 40-megapixel next-generation sensor provides an incredible 13.5 stops of dynamic range, meaning that riding in and out of dark tunnels or through aggressively dappled forest lighting never results in blown-out skies or crushed shadows. The footage it produces is stunningly rich, making every ride look like a professionally graded motorcycle commercial. The battery endurance on the Action 5 Pro is nothing short of legendary. During a grueling all-day cross-country tour, this camera consistently outperformed my expectations, allowing me to record for over 4 hours on a single charge. This level of extreme battery life completely eliminates battery anxiety, letting me focus entirely on the road and the scenery rather than obsessively checking the battery percentage at every single stoplight. DJI's stabilization technology has also received a massive upgrade, perfectly smoothing out the jarring impacts of potholes and aggressive cornering without cropping too heavily into the frame. The Horizon Steady feature is particularly magical for motorcyclists. Even when I am leaning the bike heavily into a hairpin turn, the camera keeps the horizon perfectly level, giving the viewer a smooth, floating sensation that perfectly translates the flow of the ride. The dual OLED high-brightness touchscreens are absolute game-changers when riding in glaring direct sunlight. I never have to squint or shade the camera with my hand to see what I am recording, and the touch interface is responsive enough to work even through my thinner summer riding gloves. 1. Insta360 X5. By capturing a full 360-degree sphere of ultra-sharp 8K video, this camera completely eliminates the need to frame your shots while riding. You simply hit record, enjoy your ride, and in post-production, you can choose exactly where the camera is looking, whether that is a sweeping view of the landscape, a tight shot of your instrument cluster, or a cinematic pan of your riding buddies passing by. The hardware in the X5 is an engineering marvel, featuring dual 1.28-inch sensors and a lightning-fast 5nm AI chip that delivers true-to-life colors and jaw-dropping clarity. The low-light pure video technology ensures that even your darkest night rides are captured with stunning brightness and virtually zero noise. With its active HDR upgraded to 60 frames per second, the stabilization remains buttery smooth and the dynamic range stays perfectly balanced, no matter how chaotic or fast-paced the environment gets. One of the most magical aspects of the X5 for motorcyclists is the invisible selfie stick effect. By mounting the camera on the tail of the bike or on the handlebars, the software automatically stitches the stick out of the final video, making it look like you have a personal drone following you inches from your helmet. It provides impossible third-person video game perspectives that simply cannot be achieved with any standard action camera, elevating your motovlogs to a completely different stratosphere. Durability and longevity have also been dramatically improved, making the X5 a true workhorse. It features easily replaceable protective lenses, so if a stray rock kicks up on the highway and scratches the glass, you can swap it out in seconds rather than sending the whole camera in for repair.